Hi everyone, today we are trying a natural and fantastic DIY face mask recipe straight from Asia, and Asian rice mask. Yes, this mask has been a beauty secret for generations, known for its beauty and ability to brighten, tighten and even out your skin, feeling oh so soft. What we need is rice. If you have a cooked rice you can use, but in this video I'm going to use a rice flour. I have a natural organic rice flour at home, so I decided to use it. If you don't have rice flour, you can use a cooked rice. Yes, you can also use a leftover rice from yesterday, white rice to be precise. In this video I'm going to cook my rice a little bit because I need it cooked. In the video where I watched an Asian person doing it, she used a cooked rice, so I decided to cook my rice flour. After cooking it, I transferred it to my face. So the next ingredients we are going to use is rose water. Rose water, this is a calming ingredient that soothes irritation and add touch of hydration. Hydration is good for you. We put the honey again. Honey is another natural humectant that helps to lock in moisture and leave you feeling extra dewy. Then you add vitamin E capsule. In this video I used only one capsule. Vitamin E oil, a powerful antioxidant that helps to nourish and protect your skin also. Then you mix all the ingredients together. Mix it until it form a paste. Look at mine was trying to be watery, but I added more rice to make it thicker like a paste. So you mix it properly and your face mask is ready. Look at consistency, look at how it is turning out so nice, like a paste, like a face mask. You mix it, it takes your time like 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it properly, and the next thing is to apply it. Make sure your face is washed dry and clean. Then you apply it all over your face. Gently apply it. Remember to also subscribe if this is your first time of coming across my channel. Remember to subscribe, follow, depending on the platform you're watching it, and give me a thumbs up because I'm going to be dropping these natural face mask videos from time to time. Then after applying it, I use this sheet mask. This is plain sheet mask. It's a paper mask that helps to hold in your face masks from drying out. So this sheet mask, I will use it and cover the face mask so that the face mask will not dry out. It will help to hold it into place so that it will absorb into my skin without drying out. If you need it, you can also write in the comment for me to give it to you. Like 20 you will notice the dryness, then you peel it off. Look at it, look at how dewy, moisturized and healthy my face is. So this mask is very nice. Rice can also brighten your skin. It helps to even out your skin tone, make you more brighter. Any skincare product that contains rice, I would advise you to get it because it works wonders. The brightness is natural. So after washing it off with water, I now double cleanse with my face wash, foamy face wash. This is a tea tree face wash. I have other face washes too. Then you wash it properly from your neck and arm. Don't always forget your neck whenever you're applying or doing anything to your face. Remember your neck, that is important. Look at my face. Look at how bright I am. You see? So beautiful. So I go on with my eye serum. This eye serum is Dr. Rachel's. If you don't want to use Dr. Rachel's, you can get another eye serum. Massage your under. I always apply serum or eye cream and massage your under eye so that you will not develop eye bags and dark eye circle. Then to lock in the moisture more, I get a toner. Toner is also good for hydration. I am very big with hydration because every skincare hydration, and don't forget your hands. Whenever you apply anything on your face, extend it to your hands. The next thing is I go with vitamin E capsule because I want moisturizing. Then I top it up with aloe vera gel. This is a hydration mixture that I always do few times at night. It helps to keep you hydrated, helps to keep you so full and young. Like I said earlier, extend to your neck, your hands, and you're good to go. If you're going to give this rice face mask a try, comment on the comment section, let me know. You can also massage your face. Yes, your facial structure is contains muscle. Always exercise and massage it whenever you are applying your skincare product on your faces. Thank you. Bye bye for watching. Remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I love you. See you on the next video. Bye.